This is OnePlus Pad, and today I will show how you can scan a document into a PDF file on this device. So first you will need to find and launch the Google Drive app that should come pre-installed with the system, which is, if it is not true in your case or you have uninstalled the app earlier, you can just get it for free from the Google Play Store, no problem. Firstly, let me find it. Here it is. Then tap at the plus icon over here. Choose the scan option from this menu. Then allow the Google Drive to have the camera access. And then simply take a photo of whatever document you have on hand. Once the picture is taken, you can proceed, and the following interface or the following menu allows you to edit your scan. So for example, you can rotate it by tapping at this button, you can change its color scheme, or perhaps frame the original photo in the way you want to have it, and then hit the save option, rename the scan if necessary, and then hit the save button one last time. Wait a few seconds for the scan or document or file to be uploaded to your drive, and here is the result. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.